Morning, guys. All right. Glad to be back, man. I am glad to be back, my friends. Hope everybody's good. Let me make sure we're live. Can you guys hear me? All right, let me check. I don't even know if anyone's here yet. I'm glad to be back, man. I took off last week. And I'm glad to be back, man. I took off last week. Yeah, I miss you guys when I'm not here, man. Crazy. It's true. All right, let's see what we got for the week, man. Let me check the news. What's today? Today is 13. Man, there's no news this week. We had news at 8:30 this morning, and that's it for the week. Wow, look at that, guys. Core PPI this morning and PPI month to month at 8:30. And that's it. That's all it's showing for the whole week. That's crazy. All right, let's hit the chart. Let's hit the chart running, man. Check US 30. I was in the trade last night. I bought US 30. I don't know where the entry was. It's the same. It's the 1 minute. So I must have got in over here somewhere. There's a big gap up here. Let me go to the 5 minute. Yeah, there's the gap. See it? So I came on. I bought it right around here somewhere. I got out over here somewhere. It went like 300 pips, if I'm not mistaken. What the heck is this? Gotta get my indicator back here. Hold on a sec, guys. Sorry about that. I already see what's going on here, though. I want US 30 to drop one more time. Let me get my indicator back. I don't know how I did that. Here it is. Market levels. Style. Okay, I gotta get rid of this. Damn, man, why is this kind of mess with me right now? Why is that? Get rid of this. Snap. High color, low color, right? All right. Where are they? Let's see if we can find. Okay, there it is. Right there, right there. There's the blue one. All right, good. We're all set, guys. Now, this is the same as when I used to go and if you go to the Daily Candle, let me show you guys something. I used to just mark the Daily Candle. You know, so if this thing ever goes away, guys, we'll go back to doing it this way. You know, this free indicator here. If you guys are with me a while, you remember I used to do this. That would be red. Right? And I'll go here. I gotta get rid of some of these extra lines. There's too many lines on the chart. But right, that'd be that. Yeah, that'd be it. I would trade like that. You can still do that if you want. You know. But yeah, there's this one. Let me get rid of some of these. All right, got rid of a couple. Let me get rid of this. It's just an example. This one too can go. I'm gonna clean it up a little. I'm gonna make this a little bigger. Let me go back in. I don't like it. All right, what do we got here? This one, first of all, a little darker. All right, 5 is good. All right, there we go. It's right here. So this supply is our zone. All right, guys. So what I'm hoping now is that this will come down and sweep down here. At least pull back to one of these fair value gaps. I'll enter in one of these fair value gaps, one of these last two. I'll be willing to enter there. I won't take it long. All right, I'm all set up. Let me make the candles a little bigger. 2 clicks. Good. Let me go to NAS. NAS is bullish, so we need a retreat. We need to pull back at least halfway to the blue zone. And here's our pre-market low. All right, guys, and that's it. Let me check gold. Our gold has left the building, man. What happened to gold? Where's the pre-market high? I'm not crazy about gold right now. Gold, I need to come up here. All right, I'm going to put an alarm here. That'll be a sell signal, guys. This is a dangerous week to trade because, I mean, let's face it, man. The Iran war, they couldn't reach an agreement. So it could get volatile. I don't know what's going to happen, guys. I never do. I'm not a guru. I'm not a fake guru. I'm not a real guru. I just try to react off the market here, but I'll take it right there to that fair value gap. Good. All right, gold is set. I'm not crazy about gold, to tell you the truth. I would rather, even US 30, I'm not crazy about. I don't really see nothing good today. I'll be honest with you, man. You know, it's like we kind of missed the move. The move was right here on NAS. You know, you can see we're bullish. So when it pulled back all the way here, the entry was right around here somewhere. You know, that's the way I trade, guys. I got this indicator here. Look in the if you're new here, guys, look into the description on the video. It has the indicators that I'm using. They're all free indicators, guys. None of them are mine. Okay, there is one that has an upgrade. I never took the upgrade, so I don't know what it's about. That's the one. Which one is that? Let me see. That's FluidTrades. That's the one that puts the zones that we trade off of. I'll show you now in a sec. Puts these boxes here. These supply and demand boxes. See it right here? It's a great indicator, so shout out to you, Mr. FluidTrades. But I am not an affiliate or anything, guys. I just use the indicator. I like it. We could draw those boxes. You know, I used to just draw them, but I found this indicator and it does a good job, so we use it. Okay, my allergy is kicking in full force, so it's good to see things are normal. US 30, I really like to see a buy, but I needed to pull back. Okay, it broke structure here. Okay, plug in. Hold on a sec, guys. Gotta plug in before I go dead here. All right, we're in. Tell you the truth, I needed to pull back to here. I could take an entry sooner, knowing that I'm going to be in drawdown, or I could be in drawdown, you know. But let's see what it does. Let's see how it develops. Check NAS. H bar is 8 cents, 8.5 cents, man. It's a steal, bro. H bar is a steal right now, guys. Tonight we got another vote starting for Sosana. I'll be on the 9 o'clock call. The nominated tokens will be revealed around 7 o'clock on the website. You can vote for one of those tokens and win some prizes, and it's going to be awesome. Check out the link or scan that QR code, guys. You'll see what I mean. Watch that video on that website, man. When you scan that QR code and watch that video. That was 2 weeks ago. It's only a 2-minute video, man. Gives you an idea of what we do every 2 weeks, how we make money. Let me check kick real quick. How's my kick guys doing, man? Good? Cheers, kick guys. This is right at a zone right now. You know what? I'm going to sell NAS. No, wait a minute. Let me think about it for a second. You know, I want to sell it, but it's telling me it's bullish. Let me just see what it does here. It is right in the zone, though. No doubt. I'd like to see it come up here and sweep here. I'm going to sell it. Say the truth. Check US 30 again. US 30 is coming to the 200. It's coming to the 200, guys. Look how it rode the 200 here. Went below, rode it from below, back above. Let's see how it reacts when it gets to the 200. I need it to pull back here. I would like it to pull back so I can get an entry on a buy. Let's see if we're going to use on TV here. It looks like it's getting ready to drop. It just touched the 200. Okay, you guys know the 200 is the strongest support and resistance on your chart. That's why I like to keep it on my chart. It came right to the 200. Let's see if it falls now. I'm looking for a buy, but I want to buy down here on one of these fair value gaps. That's what I'm looking for, guys. To be honest, even if I buy here, I know that it may come here. But let's see what it does. Let's see if it blows past the 200. Let's see what happens here. Still developing. The situation is fluid, my friends. Let me see what Nas is doing. Nas came back. Damn, man. Did I just sell Nas? I'm going to sell Nas, guys. I'm going to sell Nas knowing I could need a second position. Damn, I'm logged out of my book. I'm not. Damn, I didn't get in. It's good I didn't get in because it's going up. All right, I got the trade open now. All right, I'm going to see. Let's see if it sweeps here, guys. Sorry about that, guys. If you're in that trade, just hold, man. You guys have a good weekend or what, man? I had a great weekend. I went to church. Went out with my boys a little. Great weekend, man. Thank you, Jesus. Okay, let me set an alert here just so I got an entry. When I hear the bell, I enter. Okay, yeah, when it rings that alarm, I'm pressing the sell button. Let me see what NAS, let me see what US 30 is doing. Damn, the US 30 taking off, man. I don't really like the market today. I gotta be honest with you. Gold might be better bet. I don't think I'm gonna take this, guys. I'm not feeling it, man. Hold on a sec, guys. I'm sorry, guys. I had a phone call. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? All my kick guys. Can you hear me now? All right, guys, I'm not going to take it right now. I'm not feeling it. Let's see what gold is doing. Let's see what's 30. I feel like we missed a move on this, man. You know, I might just keep going up. It's telling me bullish here. That's what I don't like. That's why I don't want to take it. See my session bias right here? Bullish. Oh, we got 5 minutes till New York Open, guys. Let me get rid of this alert now. Man, Nas is starting to get. Nas is starting to get volatile, man. The volume's coming in. Check gold. Gold never rang the bell yet. Gold's the only one. See what it does right here. Check TJ. Yeah, each bar is 8.5 cents, man. Great. No TJ like either. It's like these trades, we either missed them or they're not set up yet. Okay, we got 3 minutes. Actually, like 2 minutes to New York Open. Let's see what it does here, guys. 1 minute to New York. If it comes up and rings this alarm, guys, I'm going to sell it. All right, let's see. Let's see this very quick. Yes. Doing this. Throw it out of the way. I just head it up. Let's see if it gives us what we want. Three, two, one. Blast off. All right, guys, I'm going to enter as soon as it rings that alarm. I just did a little double top there. Come on, gold. Don't do that. Don't do that, gold. Here we come. Here it comes, guys. Get back up there. Come on, baby. Let's go. Man, I didn't get nothing. I don't like these setups today, guys. Sorry about that, man. Apologize. But normally, I'm right on it. But today just wasn't good, man. You know, every now and then we get a day where we don't get a trade. And it hasn't happened in a while. And it looks like this could be the day. Let's see what gold does here. We got no cooperation today from the market, guys. What can I say? What can I say, man? Usually we get a trade, but today we may not. I wanted to sweep that, ring that alarm there, guys, and I'm going to sell. Let's see if it comes up. Nice pullback on that. Well, I need to really pull back. What the heck was that? You guys heard that? I don't think I ever heard that before. Uh-oh. I have no idea what that was, guys. Check my phone. See if I got anything. All right, guys. I'm going to call it soon. I really don't see nothing here I like. Go back to the 200. US 30. We see gold. Gold dropped, left without us. Let's see if gold can pull back to this fair value gap. All right, guys, I'm going to call it. No trade today, guys. No trade today. We'll try again tomorrow. Sorry about that. It happens once in a while. This is the first time it's happened, probably in months. But I'm not going to take a trade. I don't like the way things set up this morning. So I'm not going to do it. And, that's our job, man. Our job trading is just to protect our bag, so to speak, man, Protect your capital, man, And I'm not comfortable with any of these setups, so I'm not going to take them. I'll wait till tomorrow. Tomorrow's another day. I'll trade during the day, but as far as the live stream goes, we'll be back tomorrow. And so that's it, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for stopping by, man. Sorry about that. It happens. I don't want to stay on here all day, I don't really see anything developing that I like, so I'm not going to stay on here. We'll get back to it tomorrow, man. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys for stopping by. Have a great day on purpose. God bless you guys. Cheers, guys. See you tomorrow.